Hello, welcome back to the channel, and a video about EV charging today, because I can now properly charge my EV from home even though I don't have a driveway. And that's because I've had a Kerbo system installed. So Kerbo is a system where a trench is dug into a pavement and a gully is put in with a closable lid, of which an EV charge cable can be laid from your home, preventing the trip hazard, as you can see from the video that's been playing in the background, or over my voiceover. I'm really happy about this, because for the past few years I've been able to have free charging somewhere else, but that's come to an end. So it's been good timing. So the reason for this is because I've been accepted onto the Swansea City Kerbo trial. So this isn't available to everybody in the city yet. So as I say, this is just a trial, and I think the trial is limited to 10 people. So I'll just give you background information on that. So last May, so that's May 2025, my local councillor dropped me an email because he knows I was interested, I've been trying to get it easier for people without drives to be able to have an EV and charge from home, and therefore take advantage of all the perks you can get from that, including cheaper electricity rates. Saying that Swansea were going to start the Kerbo trial. Of course, I told the council about Kerbo back in 2020 and they failed to engage with that. But since the Welsh Government made money available, that's when they started taking interest. So I applied to be on the trial, and then a few months later, I think it was in July, I was accepted onto the trial, and then I had to go through some paperwork about showing that I owned the house, and I had an EV, and that the house was suitable for having a Kerbo system. And then the council did the tendering process. Not entirely sure why they didn't do the tendering process when they announced the trial, and they would have done things quicker, but you know, government, bureaucracy and delays. And then in January, I was contacted by the company that the council had contracted the tender to, and they came and did a survey of my electrics. And then on the 11th of March, they came along and fitted the ohm charging point. And then on the 24th, which was a Tuesday, the council high mains maintenance team came out and put the trench into the pavement and installed the actual Kerbo gully. And since then I've been able to charge with it twice, and it's all worked very, very well, so I'm very happy with that. So hopefully over the next year I'll continue to charge and nothing goes wrong, and then Swansea Council can say that it is a good system, and will allow other people to purchase it as well. So as I say, because I'm on the trial, I haven't had to pay for the actual Kerbo installation or the charger. I have had to pay for a longer charging cable to be able to, because where I've installed the charger, it's actually quite a long way just to the front of the property, let alone going through the channel as well. But yeah, so I'm happy with that. I'll keep you updated with how things are going, and probably in October, when I do how much my EV is costing to run, I will tell you how much I've had to pay for home charging my EV, how many miles I get, and the efficiency. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do. It massively helps out the channel, and I'll see you in another video very soon.